Hi guys, it's Deb back with you, and I've got another organisational video, and today I'm going to show you how I sort my wood veneer. I still haven't labelled my little embellishment unit, so that video is still coming. So down the bottom you can see one of these photo cases by French Bill, and it's the one that you can get from Spotlight. And then I've also got one of those containers from Woolies. I bought it from Woolies, so I'm going to show you how I don't have much chipboard, so I'm going to put that in this video too. So that's where they sit in my room. That's my pattern papers. Then I showed you my stickers, and now I'm going to show you what's on this one. So I'm going to put the camera up and we'll have a closer look at it. So the container I was showing just before is actually got something else in it. It's my wood veneer behind. It's the exact same container. I've just pulled this sticker off and labelled, use my label maker to make to label it wood veneer. So if you're not familiar, these are the containers from Spotlight, and it comes in this bigger kind of suitcase. You've got to be careful only to grab this handle, because if you grab this handle it opens and everything falls out. So you only grab it by the one handle, the bottom one. This one clips and locks it open and closed. But it comes in this kind of suitcase style, and then when you open it, you get all the 4x6 containers, and then I take these out. Don't know if you can see it, but no, it's not going to show on the camera. I'll flip it, and I'm going to lose my camera now. Okay, I think I got it fixed. But if you can see, it's got these dividers there, and it helps your container slip in and out and not move around. So I'll show you what I've done. I have labelled, I'm not quite in frame because I can't, it's quite a big unit, but most of these containers have been labelled arrows and banners, stars, flowers, birds, butterflies. I think they are, yeah, they are actual Kaiser collection. That one is Life's a Beach, and I've kept it all together because when I go to scrapbook, like beachy photos and that, they're all together. This one was, yeah, I think, yeah, all different, like rockets, the sun, moon, all kind of outer spacey kind of things. And this one I haven't labelled. Oh, this one was printed wood veneer, I'm sure. Yeah, so things that have got a print on them. And there's words and wooden shapes, so like anything that it's got a word on it or in the shape of a word goes in here. These ones are Corbett Creations, the bigger words. These are just shapes. I've just like tags, random shapes that I didn't have another category for to put in. Then I've got hearts, all different hearts. Some are Corbett Creations, some are Kaiser, some are from, I'm sure, like American Crafts. So I've got all that. Then I've got frames and borders, so some Polaroid frames. I'm pretty sure this is all Corbett Creations, or this one. This one is small words, so smaller words that I didn't want in with the other ones because some of these are quite detailed and fine, and so yeah, I put them in here. They do. I have found that some have broken, but yeah, I'm not too fast. They can be joined back together quite easy. These ones are larger words and numbers. If I've got numbers, it goes in with words. So that one. This one I've got labelled as special shapes, and it would be like, well, I've got a collection in there that needs to go into its own home, but like houses, coffee, yeah, that's all like crafty things. There's that one. This one is, oh, okay, so this is cocoa vanilla. I think it is Love Always. Yep. So, and I think I got that when I ordered something from Cocoa Vanilla, and got a little wood veneer, and I'm pretty sure, oh, this is a mixture of Kaiser Craft and some alphas and a bit of cork in there. So, but this is pretty much where I keep all my wood veneer. I don't think I've got, yeah, it's just all in here. So easy to grab out if I'm working on a kind of girly or floral layout. I can just grab my flowers and bring them to my desk. So I'm going to quickly show you my chipboard, because there's not much of that, and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so at the, you can see I used to store my wood veneer in here. I have to relabel it. So this is the 3.5 litre container. I think it had like a little white insert that sat in the top that you could put things in. But I do have a lot of chipboard downstairs, but this is what I've got up here. So it all fits in this container. I've got chipboard words and shapes. What else have I got in here? Yeah, so I've just put it all in the one container. I haven't used chipboard in so long. I should pull it out and use it on some layouts. I might set myself a little kind of challenge to use some chipboard up, because it's been quite a while. So that's how I store my chipboard. I don't have much, but yeah, so there's even small words in the bottom there. So yeah, that's how I store my wood veneer and my chipboard. I would love to hear how you store yours, and would also love if you gave this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.